Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to create a perfect cylinder in Fusion 360, a foundational skill for any 3D design project. Whether you are a total beginner or just brushing up on your modeling workflow, this step-by-step guide will save you time and keep your workspace organized. If this video helps you master your CAD skills, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional tutorials. Let's jump right into the interface. To begin, we need to establish our foundation. Navigate to the top toolbar and click on the Create Sketch button. This will bring up your origin planes. You can select either the top, front, or side plane, depending on your orientation needs. I usually recommend the top plane for a standard upright cylinder. Once you have clicked your plane, you will enter the sketch environment. Now, let's define the shape. Go up to the toolbar and find the Sketch drop-down menu, then select Center Diameter Circle. Click on the origin point in the center of your workspace, then drag your mouse outward. You can now type in whatever specific diameter you need for your design. Once you have your circle drawn, go to the top right corner and click on the Finish Sketch button. Now that we have our 2D shape, we need to turn it into a 3D object. Click on the circle you just created to highlight the profile. With the circle selected, press the E key on your keyboard, which activates the Extrude command. An arrow will appear in the center of your circle. Simply click and drag that arrow upward to set your height. Or for more precision, type the exact measurement into the dialog box that appears in the sidebar. Once you are happy with the height, press Enter or click the OK button. And just like that, you have successfully created a 3D cylinder. It is that simple to start building components in Fusion 360. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with all our future CAD tips and tricks.